Hi fam, so it is currently 10:20, 10:37 on Sunday morning. I think it's the first, no, it's the second, July 2nd. So happy 4th of July, everyone. Um I know you haven't seen me in a while, and I'm not promising that I'm coming back fully. I'm just trying to keep y'all abreast of what I am doing while I am away. And it's like a therapy for me, and I don't really, when you having something done for like therapy, stuff like that, you really don't want to do a lot of editing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get into it. Yes, I still have my Christmas tree up. It'll be up all year long. So that I came to show you a couple of things. The first thing I wanted to show you is that, let me turn it around. Okay, so I've been cutting wood for the build-ins, and when I finish, you have this right here, which is the sawdust. So you can actually crap out of, no you didn't. Look what I did. Now I got to suck it all back up. But anyway, you can get it and keep it and put it in a bag like this. And when you need to do wood fillers, you can mix this right here with like Mod Podge or wood glue, whatever you want to mix it with, and you can put it in the cracks of between the wood. And then let me show you what I mean. Oh, let me kick these shoes out first. Look at this, guys. I ain't had no problem the whole time. It's always, as soon as you start recording, something goes wrong. But as you can see, I do have some over there done. And I have the top up here. This one right here will be almost together before I finish today. So see right here where you have these seams at. Let me turn the light on. Right here where you have the seams at. Well, if I wanted to, I could take some wood glue. Why is it looking like that? Hopefully it's looking better to you guys. It just looks dark over here for me. But you would put some wood filler in between here, and just do the same thing you would if it was wood. I mean, you'll put the mixture that you make in here, and the same way you would do it when you put wood filler, sand it down to be smooth. That's what you would do with that. That would save you a lot of money, especially when you're working on a project this big. And so where I'm at right now, I have did the size that this side right here looked like that side over there. It was plain like this, and I got my bases from Habitat for Humanity, and they are for kitchen, but once I finish with them, you won't be able to tell that was for the kitchen. So I done finished this side right here. I done made the top. I'm in the process of taking this part of the fireplace mantle off so I can cut the rest of the mantle even with this. So the shelf's gonna line up right here. It'll be flush right here. So it'll look like that this is one continuous thing when it's finished. And as you can see, I've already found my studs. I've already patched the holes. I've already sanded them. And these were my measurements when I was doing the shelves, but some of them came out right, and some of them I realized I didn't need it like that. I just finished cutting the top for this one. I thought I was going to be able to have enough room to put this one in on this side right here, like I did with that one. But this particular one is bigger than the one over on the other side, so I didn't have enough room. So what I'm going to do is, I wish I hadn't taken this side off, but as you can see, I made a side, and it's not going to really matter now because it's going to be on the side. It's going to be on the wall side, so I'll be able to get away with it. But I've just cut the top out for it, and I was using this for my cutting thing, but it's going to be up. This is going to sit on top of that over there in the corner, so it'll have like another little cabinet right here, which I probably keep the game system, the Wii game system, in there. So that's the flower. Remember the white and gold flower that we did? Well, it's in a short, and I finished it. So all these things were brown. You can go back, if you just finding this, you can go back and look at it, and you'll see it. And so I got a lot of new tools. I will go through all my tools and let you know all of them and what all of them are used for. And everything I got from Amazon. And so with that being said, I just wanted to come and do a quick little summary of what's been going on and what I've been doing, why I've been MIA, and just working on my mental health. So with that being said, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I say that, I truly, truly, truly mean it. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.